while making this barbecue, well, I want to do something is I want to show you how to change your smoke detector that chirps. A lot of people, I see a lot of people having the videos and you hear that thing going. I need to cover that up. Just, yeah. Okay. So, I need to clean this thing up. Alright, that is good. And that's what on my trash can. So, this one, I took it out a while back, but the idea is the same. Because sometimes if you might not show that straight away, but you get the idea. So this is the new battery, right? So this is the old battery. So I take out the old battery, but one thing that you have to remember is you have to click the test button when the battery is off. You know, you click that. Most of the times it'll drain out, it'll leave a sound that goes cheer or something like that. So what you're trying to do is drain, there's no battery, but you hear you press the test button to drain out any and all the current in there. So now we put this in there. Okay, so now when I test it, that was loud. Yeah, made me even jump. So this is good. And I'm going to install it. I'll leave it here for a few minutes and see if it'll chirp. Because sometimes what happens is if you just replace the old battery and just put it like that, it'll still chirp. So what I'm trying to tell you is, like, when you take out the old battery, hit the test button so that it drains out the power within the system, and then you put in the new battery, then you close, and then now your smoke detector won't be chirping. You won't be making videos and then you hear chirping sound in the background, you know. You saw what? Yeah, it's loud. Imagine. So anyway, this is just another tip, and I'm actually making some barbecue, so I'll wait next 2-3 hours and then we'll get back to the other video.